Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Today we will see how to create mobile app in 20 minutes. So let's get started. We can search Glide app in Google and click on the first link. Now here you will see we have a website called Glide. Click on sign up and create your account. After sign up you will have to log in into Glide app. So now I already logged in here. You have to click on new app. You have to give the name of the app. So let's say I wanted to give education point. So let's say I have given application name education point, type phone, click continue. After that, here you have to select Google Sheet. So that Google Sheet should be available in your Google Drive. Now we can click continue, and from there you have to select the sheet. So now I will stop here and we can open Google Drive here. So just write drive.google.com and log in into Google Drive. After that you can click on new, then sheet, Google Sheet, and here you have Excelsheet. Now everything you have to do here, and this will basically reflect in your mobile app. So what I'll do, I can keep here sheet 1 name as book, let's say books, and in this books I can add title. This is the title. Then we have author of the books, and then maybe we can add year and description. Then we have cover letter, or we can say cover photo, right? And that we have link. So these three things, these things I have added here. Mark it bold, right? Now in this one what I'll do, I can add books name. So maybe I can go on readonbooks.net, and from here I can copy the content, or if you have any other source, maybe you can copy from the Wikipedia. It's up to you. So now here we have lots of books available. Just I can copy any of these things and we will paste it there. So suppose here I can copy this one. The book name is mining and selling radium. So now I'll copy the name and then I will paste it here. And then author is, so author name, let's paste it here. Paste only values, and then we can say category is science. So maybe we can add here one more column, that is we can say GE, any genre, and in that we can say that this is science type book. It's up to you, and whatever things you want you can add here. And then next thing that we need is year. So year is 2014. So let's go here and add 2014, and description. So now description, I can copy these things, paste it here. Then cover photo, I can copy this one. Just right click and copy the image link. So cover photo link I have pasted here. This is the image, this should be the image link. Let's check, or simply I can open it another tab and then let's see. Here it's opening. So this is our cover letter and then the actual link of the page. So I can copy this link so that it will show the detail of this particular book. Yeah, this one. So now let me paste it here. This is the link. So here we have everything that we have added for the book 1. Similarly, I can add for other books. So suppose let's let's take medical. Okay, so I can copy this book name, paste it here, then the author, and so I'm just trying to show how you can get the content and how you will do these all things. Now this is 2020 and the description is this one, so I can copy it, paste it here, then we can copy the cover letter, copy link, and then paste it in the next column, and then we have the link, so I can copy this link and paste it here in this link, and this is a type of medical, so I can copy this medical type. So it is not mandatory to have these fields same to that, but you can add here any number of files, save it, and then name it as, maybe I can say book name is education point. So this is our Excel sheet name, tab is books. Just we have to save this, and just I'm refreshing it to make sure that everything is saved here. Now go back to our page and glide page, and now here it should show that particular thing. So for that I need to cancel it, and again I can click, and then we'll add education point, select phone, click next, select Google Sheet, click next, and now it should show that education point Excel sheet. Select that Excel sheet, click select, and then wait for the data to be populate. Now here you can see one mobile app is showing here with the details that we have given, and if I click on it, you can see the description is also showing here. So almost this app is ready. The thing is, we have to make it or we have to format it as per our need. So if you can see here, we have different types of styles. So if I click on tiles, you will see that you can see here image also. If you can click on cards, you will see. If you will click on details, so detail is not necessary here, so maybe we can click on tiles or card. So card is also fine, we can add this one. And if you have more than one data, then you can obviously you should go for tiles. So this is our one way to show that. And then here you can see we have inline list. So if you click on inline list, you will see other details also. So now if you can see here image and then cover photos, it will automatically take this photo. This is taking from this cover photo, which is we have added here as a one tab. And the next thing is we have author. Now it's up to you what all details you wanted to show here. This is the title. So if I'll click on inline list and then title, so in title I wanted to add the title, so now you can see it changed to title. And then we have author that we have added here, and then other things. Now if you will go down, you will see little more things. So buttons. So now if you want, you can add a favorite button also. So if you will click on favorite, it will be available here. And then tag and other stuff that you want. And then you can see text style. So suppose if you want, you can put this style or on the photo, right? So let's go with this one, allow wrapping. So if you will wrap, then you will show complete title here, all caps, style, something like that. And then here we have design. So in this one you can see title shape, so you can also put this kind of shape. So 4x3, 3x2. So I think I can go with a square. This is a square. In this square you will show complete picture. And 4x3, this is vertical. Then right, so we have different views, so I can keep this one maybe, or yeah, this one. This is by default it is showing, so I'll click on 3x2. And then here we have orientation. So if you want, you can show all things in one line or this way. Corner, how you want it to show, you can see this corner. Then crop behavior. Right, so these things are available by default here. You can add this, and action. So now action that you want, you can delete, compose, increment, navigate to other tabs that we will see. So now for first thing, we can keep these all things, right? Next, what we will do, we can add here other things also. So you can see by default it is showing tab. So by default we have books tab, which is we have here books tab. Now if you want, you can add here chat also. Just you have to click on this and the chat option will be enabled. We have books, then chat. So on click on chat, you have to now add the features of chat. So source and other stuff that will show here. And so if you will click on chat, you can see this plus button. Here you can add the name and other stuff, and then you can start working on it. The thing is, you have to mention here source, where you want to store this chat data. So you have to create another tab, and then in that tab you will do that. But since this is education app, so I'll not add this chat. I can simply remove this. And what we will do, we can create here one more tab, and in this tab I can add videos. And in this videos we can add, let's say I can say title, then I can say link, right? Video link. So I want to add these two things, and then I want to show here YouTube channel video link. So suppose I'll go on YouTube channel, and I can copy any video that you want. So simply let's say from here I'm just trying to copy some URL. So let's copy this URL and then paste it here. And then the title is how to create website in 20 minutes, and then let's paste it here. Similarly, I can open other video and then copy it, the title, sorry, copy the link and paste it here. Then we can copy the title and we can paste it here. So let's keep two video only. Save this and just reload it. And what we have to do next is, so once we can see, if I'll refresh it again, by default it will be saved whatever things you have done so far. It should automatically detect your tab. So if tab is not showing, just click here and it will show new tab. Now from here still it is showing one tab. So what I'll do, I will click back button, and here is our application. Just click again. So open the same application again, and then let's check, let's select the new tab that we have created, give the name as YouTube, or maybe books, and then we can say that videos, and from here we can select the other tab that we have. So this is still not populated. Go back here. So it should populate. Until then we have to wait for it. So now let's see, still it's not showing. We can click on the other tab, or we can refresh from here. Just click on reload, and let's see if the other tab, yeah, now you can see we are showing here. Here we can see videos. So what we will do, we can select the tab and then click on the videos. Now by default, now you can see we have two tabs as of now, books and then video. You can change the link, change the icon also from here, which is by default available, and you can add your own icon also by searching from here. So suppose I can simply click on it, and then this is our icon. We can change this icon also. So okay, so now we have these two things, videos and books. Similar to that, what we will do, we can click on the card and it will show the details here. Click on inline, and then we have here other option that is available. So first thing, it is showing link, and then we have title. So in this link, it should show the exact video that we have. And if I click on detail, so detail will not work here. So detail will only work once we will click on it. And titles, so tiles is okay. We can click on card, and in this card it will show the details. And similar to that, we can add a favorite menu also here, so that once we will select, it will show that. And so once we will run this application, then it will show the video also. And the other stuff that we can do, so we have here form that can allow users to enter the details. And yes, so now we can go on the first one, and here let's say if I click, by default you can see once you will click on the detail, then it will show the details here. We have title, then description, author, year, and then we can say cover photo. So now you can edit this cover photo also, and you can add this cover photo, or simply you can remove from here. Click on add, and from here you can see we have options. So I can click on image. Now image will add, and it will automatically select the cover photo. Now it's up to you where you want to show this. So if you will move first, move above, then it will show the title, and then you can see we have here author, or let's say if I can move it first, the image, and then we have title, and then description and other stuff. And then you can move this genre also after author. So we have now these things available. We can click back button, and once we will click on other picture, then also you will see the details. So this is how we work with the glide app, and once you can see here we clicked on it, we have title. So instead of title I can click on it, and then from here I can select video, and then video link will populate here. And then we can similarly we can see also from here, right? The only thing maybe we can change here is the image that we have. So in this inline list we have link, so instead of link maybe we can add the photo. So by default which particular photo we wanted to display here, so that particular thing we can add here, and any design we can choose as per the requirement. So this is all about mobile app creation. After completion of this, what we can do is we can publish it. So once you will click on publish, click on publish app, and then your app is ready to use. So now you can scan this link, and here you can see the name. So I can say here this is education point dot glide dot app. So now I have named it education point, and then if you will open this education point dot glide dot io, now anyone can access this app. Only you can see privacy settings. So if I click on this privacy setting, you can make it public with sign in. That means anyone who wanted to use, they have to sign in with email ID, or simply you can click public. So and then click share. Now here again we have the app. This is public app. Now anyone from the world can access this app. So let's paste it again and see the magic. So here we can see we have this app created, and then if we will click on it, it will show the image, and then we can navigate and see the other things. Similarly, if we can click on photo videos, we have this video, we can click on it, and then you will see whatever things is added here. Then it will open your website, right? And if you will click on favorite link, then you have to log in. You have to sign in with your email ID, so that particular favorite will be saved. So that's it about mobile app creation. The next thing that you can do is you can convert this link into actual Android application. And for that, what you can do, you can write here Koduler. So we have another website that is called Koduler. So in using that Koduler, you can convert your mobile app into actual Android app. So just logged in into Koduler, and now here you can see click later, then create app. So obviously you have to log in, and after login click on app, create app, then you have to sign in. So you can create here account, and let's say I'm just clicking on Google to sign. So now you can see one project is here already. We can click on create project, then give the name. I can give it education point without a space, click next, then let it be. So this is by default for Android, and then Android versions are there, the color and other combination, let it be for now. Click on finish. Then you will see here that one app is showing here. This is a screen 1, and we have here other components are visible. From here we can add a component. We can go into the layout, and then we can see view, and from this view, you will see web view. Just click on it and drag it here, drag it to the app. So we have a screen 1 and then it is showing our web view. In this web view, if you will go down in advanced property, here we have other stuff. Now you can see home URL. Just copy your application URL and paste it here, and then you can see we have here automatic web and height. So it's up to you. We can add as per your. So now we have here one web view. We can go down and we can say this is desktop mode or normal mode. Now let's rename the screen. So in this screen 1, what we will do, we can go down and change the title to education point. So this education point will be changed, and here we have the web view where it will show all the details. After that, so your screen is now done, everything is done. What you have to do next is you can simply click on export and then click on Android APK. So now project is saved. It is creating Android application for your website. One thing also you can add here. So now you can see you can download this app, this URL, copy this URL in your mobile phone, and then you can continue. So before that, I just need to make sure one thing, whether we have added icon for this application or not. Just select the first option and then go down, and here you can see this is the background image that you can change. Then we have here icon, and then here you can choose animation screen also. Then we have icon, so you can select the icon from here, and for that maybe you can download. Maybe let's go and I can add any icon which is, or any image I can select from here which is already available. So maybe let's select this one. Okay, it is saying the file name should be without any special character. So okay, let me just rename it, and here I can say app and then select it. So now it is showing here this app. I can just, you can see, upload the asset. Sorry, so yeah, this one is already available here. What we can do, click cancel, and then I'll go here, and then we can see app.png is showing here. Now I think everything is done. We can click export and then Android APK. It will create Android application, and then now it is ready. So from here I can download the Android APK from here, or I can scan this and we can open it in our application. So now next thing I will show you how we can install it in my mobile phone. So now you can see I am in my mobile phone and I have just written the URL that is showing here. I'll just click next and it will download. You can see now it is downloading APK file in my mobile phone. Just click on open, and then obviously you have to enable the app in your phone, and then click on install. It will install the application in your mobile phone. Let's wait for it. Yeah, we have to click on install anyway. Since we are not downloading from Play Store, that's why it is showing this message. Now app is installed, and then we can see this particular icon and the application is installed in my system. Just I will click on it, and it will first show you education point, and then don't send the data. Alright, so now we can see here books is showing here. If I click on any particular book, the detail is showing here, book description and other stuff. And here we have link. If I click on it, it will open the website also. Similarly, I can see the other books and this is details also. If I click on the video, you will see we have these two videos. If I click on the first one, it will load the actual content from that link. So here we have these things are available. If I click on favorite things, it will ask to enter the email ID. So if I'll enter here email, click continue. Now you can see this is signing and the code will send into the mobile phone. Enter the pin here so that it will be saved in your favorite things. So this is all about how we can create mobile phone. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you so much.